Shoot, boys. Oh, 3 TRX 400EX. Pretty much stock except for China card and China chain. Oh, and the baffle. Instead of going lefty-loosey, they went righty-tighty and just snapped the studs off in it. Ooh. Who's it up against? Oh, boy. Okay. 04 Blaster. 03 400EX. You know you're riding the 400, right?
Okay.
Nah, we'll switch.
That's fine.
We'll switch.
I'll beat you on whichever you want.
Which one you want to tell the people about?
I'll tell them about the.
Okay, you're not passionate enough to tell them about the Blaster.
I'll tell them about the 400. You done just about everything to her.
I'll tell you about this Yamaha. What? It's a Banshee. Banshee, 4-stroke.
Banshee killer.
4-stroke Banshee killer, yeah. Tell you what, if you outrun Banshee, it will kill their feelings.
TRX 700 killer.
Jigsaw killer.
400EX killer.
Banshee Booster killer. Ripper.
Yeah.
You know it's fast when Blake breaks the back fenders off of it. And
Instantly. Poon killer.
Poon killer. Guys, 04 Yamaha Blaster. Friggin' Toomey B1 exhaust. Open air box and some jets in the car.
This sucker has poon dividends.
This is my... I gave it to him when he was a 12-year-old little boy.
Yep.
Now he's a 13-year-old little boy.
This paid off.
And people said a 400EX wasn't an upgrade. That wouldn't be an upgrade. That EX over there, that'd be a pretty good upgrade. Sean, that one for Parker, the black one, that'd be a pretty decent upgrade. If you don't think that's a more modernized four-wheeler than this Blaster, coming from a Yamaha guy, you tripping. It's armadillo. So we've seen one of those out there. Basically, that's a rat with a leather backpack made of metal.
No, but don't you know what they do?
Dude, that's a baby one. That's why he came up.
Dang. No wonder there's something over there.
His mom jumps out.
Bro, I don't care if you baby. Don't run up.
Yeah,
Not get done up.
You're tripping. Same old balloon tires, guys. Ask me why. Look at this. Tell me, I want to do something. Check this out. You guys want to know why it still has the stock balloon tires on it. Check this out. That suspension, boys. Blake, come kick this tire as hard as you can. Yeah, just fold your foot up.
Got it.
Guys, these, no. Okay?
Ow.
Good thing that's flat. I like the ride of the balloon tires. I also like the ride of the blown out shock, I do suppose. No, it's not blown out. This one's a little low. Probably balance it just for the wheelie studs later. So 6-speed, manual clutch, 2-stroke, 200cc stock. Whenever you see a guy saying he's selling this 250 Blaster, I already know he don't know what he's talking about.
Yep.
Okay? It's 200. Air cooled.
Or he's got like a Big Bear or a Grizzly 80 or
Tao Terminator 250.
Yep.
400EX 03. All you really need to know about this motherfucker. We can still say that, right?
Yeah.
Cool. I wasn't sure.
I could edit out anything.
Cool.
I can edit anything.
Look at this. This is all you need to know.
She been getting up in there. Look at that.
Nice.
Did you see that?
That must
she's
be where
pretty
the
clean.
Oh yeah.
She's pretty clean. Look, but look
That's
at
the problem. Clean and loose. That's how prostitutes usually are.
But dude, I mean, electric start.
4-stroke.
It's 4-stroker.
Air cooled too, or oil cooled if you're a little bitch. But what cools the oil?
It's like stroking 4 dudes at the same time, but whatever.
There you go.
Whatever floats your boat. just don't float your boat.
Over here.
Near my,
Not
my
this way.
direction.
Don't float it this way.
Because, you know, I'm into battling in the high seas and shit. I've been known to be a bit of a butt pirate.
Swashbuckler.
Stay up, yeah.
Butt swashler.
Yeah. She does have some brakes, so that's
Some.
Some, not all of them, but there's between the two. There's something.
Yep.
Sort of.
And so this is just for better resistance. That's how Honda made them all shitty. That's how Honda made them all shitty, right?
Yep.
Okay, that makes sense. That's for when you're willing for it to hit your forehead on. Yeah, Blake fascined those.
I did. Yeah. You should have seen before.
You want to give him a little sound check?
We can do sound check.
It won't rip a half a donut right there. Oh no. You're light, that's why. Okay.
I'm gonna do a kid block right here.
Oh,
and I'm gonna barely touch the gun. It's gonna fall.
I'm gonna knock it down slow. All right, it smells like super oil. What kind of oil you burning in that? What kind of oil you running in that?
Jizz.
Mullet jizz. A little bit of a tweak. Look,
You're not supposed to use it in motors, but
a little bit of a tweak steering stem.
we're doing a
There we go, fixed it. Here, I'll fix the steering stem, guys. Smooth these plastics over a little bit. There. I was like, nobody ever knew. So we're gonna do some drag races, some wheelie competitions.
This ain't got no Chris Kyle sticker for no reason. This is a sniper right here, boys.
Uh-oh. Damn. Well, we'll see.
Yeah.
It's got a little torque. It's slippery in here. That's why it's slipping off,
Yeah.
because of the tires. Well, guys, we're about to run them, so see you in a second. I'll go. I'll get a practice one, and then you get a practice one. Okay. So they can't compare them.
Practice right now?
Yeah, and then you, just on your own. We'll do 3 from here and then 3 from like almost that tree.
Okay.
What? My clutch slips, boy. going. We're switching.
All right.
To stay there.
Yeah.
The fact that I put it in third and then it tries to fall on its face.
Yeah.
And I gotta flick the clutch. Nah,
Yeah.
that makes me think it's the top end, bro.
Yeah.
Maybe we do a compression test on it later.
And a big bore.
Yeah. So it runs. They run comparably even, guys. Honestly, that's the first time I've ever been outrun by a 400EX on a blaster. I'll be honest.
This one runs better. I mean, like, handles better. I love the way it feels. But it's just, even though this one's wider.
But this 400EX is too clapped is why.
Yeah.
Because a good type 400EX, I
the
like
black
a
one
blaster
feels good.
better for hip checking and throwing around. But a good type 400 is a nice riding machine.
Yeah. The black one's nice.
This one's not near as wide. It's a little funner on the trails in the sand, I think.
Yeah.
But it's a bummer they're not running perfect, but you guys got to see some good stuff. That was pretty even. A lot of them were really close. So, and we're going to go running down the road and see what's the haps, guys. Appreciate you. Be sure and get up in there, like and subscribe. And Two-Stroke Thursday, be there. This YFZ motor's done. We're deciding what to do with it, and we're going to pull the trigger on this Banshee build. So get up in there, dudes. Lots more to come. On you, because it bogs. The white mailbox, the first white mailbox past that dumpster.
Yep.
On you again. Damn, dude, that was pretty cool.
Hell yeah.
Fucking seriously though, as soon as you started coming by me, I'm like, I'm waiting on fourth because it keeps speeding up.
Yeah.
Because the slipping clutch.
Yeah.
And then finally, I put it in fifth. I might have caught you, I don't know, but
Yeah.
you beat me to the mailbox for sure.
I was like, damn.
What's your top speed?
Oh shit.
Y'all see mine? I don't want to tell them yet though.
58.9.
Look at mine, 50 Selden too.
Oh shit.
Damn. But you were topped
We have
out.
the same one too.
Oh yeah. But to be fair, you were topped out.
Almost.
You were
no,
in
I
sixth.
still had a little bit. Yeah,
You had a little bit.
yeah, I had that gear. I had a little bit. I wasn't in the power band in sixth yet.
So I put it in fifth, like from here to the, as soon as you passed me,
Yeah.
I put it in fifth.
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy, dude. So 58
no.
for the blaster, it wasn't topped out. It's crazy on the 400 because we
at
got,
least 65.
I'm gonna say on the 400 too, because I had a whole gear.
Oh yeah.
And it could have been long, man.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it could have been. Yeah, I definitely could have been there. Sure.
So guys, Two Stroke Thursdays, got you some more video coming. We got this out today, messed with it a bit. Dang. You want to start it for the cam?
Sure.
For the campground?
For the gram.
Give her a chokey choke.
I'm gonna give her a
Seat. Seat. Yeah, so the floats were hanging really bad on this.
Need a seaty seat so I don't bust my meaty meat.
Oh yeah. It smells so good. Guys, we fixed it, boys, and tomorrow we're gonna rip it and y'all are gonna see it on Two Stroke Thursday. So be sure to get up in there. Blake's gonna get his official cherry bus on this. I'm going to get some VP tonight, and we had some fuel issues the other day. We solved them. So
I'm a sender.
you gonna send it?
Oh boy, I'm gonna run the fastest lap and laps ever seen out here.
We might get the stopwatch out just for fun, bro. Start
yeah.
in the same spot, see who kills it more. I know I'm gonna get the best traction. But what do you think?
Yeah.
You think David can handle it?
No.
You
Yeah.
think David
I
gets
think-
nervous?
I
You
think
think David gets nervous, or?
Mate, I don't know.
I know everybody wants to see us race this Camaro with something.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Damn, tell him get the nitrous though.
This would be perfect.
And just knock you off the road. I literally don't want to be on the blacktop after fourth gear in this.
No.
I burnt it out right where me and you just raced.
Yeah.
Bro, I left the stripes till third gear.
Yeah.
Tried to look back at him, damn near wrecked.
Yeah.
Fuck, oh shit. This is just an extra one. We got us this Raptor 660 video and the DS 650 video coming soon too. Since y'all are here, I know you guys were rooting for the freaking Honda because that's how all y'all are. What's up, guys? We had some fun on the EX and the Blast today. Appreciate you watching. Be sure and like and subscribe. Share to your people. The shop, they got the roof and the walls on. They're having foundation done. We're getting the garage doors put in, I think Monday or Tuesday. The spray foam insulation this Friday, I hope. And then the epoxy floors should be done, not Monday, but the Monday after. So after that, 48 hours, we'll be able to move in. And we've got a couple bikes already lined up. Few in mind for me are the BW350. I've got a Tri-Zinger I want to restore, a CR60, and my TRX 85, that TRX 90 with the CR85 motor I built.